So many things are more fun with friends, especially yoga at this time. So I've enlisted a bunch of my friends from all over to help me with this next sequence, a kind of add-on game of yoga with the community. So sit back or join in and enjoy the ride. Bring hands to heart center and focus on your breath.
Okay, I know it's just a really stressful, anxious time for everyone, for like releasing, you know, the stress and everything, and just like making room to receive like really good things.
Hi, this is the downward facing dog if you're a beginner, or as an expert, what I like to refer to it as Adho Ka Svanasa. Svana means dog. Don't confuse it with Shava, which means corpse, and is a much easier pose.
And then up towards the sky. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced like I am, as you can tell, keep it more towards the ground. Because up here, it's just a little hard. So we're gonna go to the nose, up to the sky. To the nose.
From there, push up and extend high, breathing into your head. Then slowly come forward and rise up and salute the sun.
Just elongate your arms. You're gonna rotate, get your elbow on your knee and just reach up. And you really wanna elongate, you know, your midsection, like make room for receiving like the good things. And then just reach. Like I'm telling you, it helps so much.
Going to reach high for that beautiful aloha sun. Come down wide to what I call the dipper. And if you like and you're comfortable here, you go big dipper. Aloha.
The goddess pose, or what I like to refer to as the 4-cheek stretch. Obviously, your 2 bottom cheeks because of the nice loosening of those muscles. And then the 2 cheeks on your face from smiling because you know how good your butt looks.
And then raise the roof. Muscles. Raise the roof. Muscles. Raise the roof.
To crescent lunge. Exhale. Plant the hands. Step back.
Shut up.
I get to demonstrate the nose to heaven move. We begin in downward dog, and I think we stay there, and we go in towards the nose and then up towards the sky.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. All right. We'll call that good.
Not all of it is sunshine and rainbows, but a good amount of it actually is.
Eagle pose. Right leg over left, left arm under right. Take a deep breath. Arms out around and up. From here, you're gonna pop a one-legged squat. Left leg goes under the top of your right, hands to prayer. If you can hook your left toes behind your right calf, right arm goes over the top of your left, palms together, squeeze everything to midline and sink low.
Twisty twist. And go down. All the way down. And then come up.
When you can't control what's happening around you, challenge yourself to control the way you react to what's happening. That is where the power lies.
This. And then this. Right?
Airing out my sweaty armpits. Going down for a toe jam snack. Easing a gas pain. Go to side plank and vinyasa.
This is an inversion of the Adho Shavasana I just did, but then I take it into a lunge. You may recognize this as the way that Usain Bolt starts in the Olympics.
Place your hands down, give your dog a treat, and step back.
And plank into up dog.
Bring arms up. Exhale, place hands at heart center. Namaste home.
Just reach over like this. Like I'm telling you, it helps so much.
Chick-fil-A?
No, downward dog, Margot. Huh? To get into your down dog.
Nose to heaven, move.
Oh, that's nice.
Easy. So hard.
Good. No, Mary, stop! Turn it off! Turn it off.
And I think we stay there, I think.
We're doing yoga. And muscles.
This is down dog. Watch. Remember, we go down like this. Can you do that? Two hands though. Two hands on the ground. I had one.
Namaste Taco Tuesday.
Turn it off. Or turn it off.